Good evening, traders. My name is Samuel, reaching you from the land of the rising sun. Today, I want to bring you, as I do every week, advanced method of Elliott Wave analysis. It's a technical analysis of forex trading, forex commodity indices, or cryptos. Henceforth, I will be combining ICT, SMC, and Elliott Wave. Okay, so if you trade any of the above strategy, you are welcome. Whether you are a pure wave trader, welcome. If you trade SMC, ICT, you are equally welcome. So let's get to the business. DSY is where I usually start. Sorry. Let's go to DSY. DSY is always the best pair we analyze. Okay, so when we get to the business, you know, for long, I said this way we go down. But first of all, here is our target before going down. And as I say always, it's going to go straight to this point. Here is a daily fair value gap. Here is fair value gap, daily fair value gap for those who trade SMC and ICT. So I expect at least 3 waves move before going back there. So let's check 4 hours. So of 4 hours, we witness a kind of slow movement of the market last week, but it's all good. Because of that, it requires a kind of technical approach to get it correct. I mean, DSY and USD. So now, this is my forecast. This is with A. This is with A. This is with A of C. Then we're gonna get with B of C, then with C of C before we get this. So then we go down further to 1 hour. So we have a lot of consolidation on this one. So either we get a move from here, either we get a move from here, either we get a move from here, here to here, or we get an A, B, C, then get another move down before this. So I will advise, I would advise, if you can handle this situation, forget about DXY, or you wait. If price comes down to this zone, if you are in my Telegram channel, I will if price comes down to this zone, I will update so that you buy from here to here. Then from here again, we have to sell. Okay, so it will be a very nice trade, maybe by Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. Either this will go or this will go. So that's it for now. So let's go to USD. USD, the same situation. You can see daily, we expect the price to come down this zone, either 1.012 or 0.99. But before then, we need to get at least 3 waves up before coming down. So let's go to the what time frame for the actual. So now you see the price is either we get the price to go down from here, or it will give us a kind of A, B, C. Then give us a bigger wave C. That's what say this wave 4 will now be here before it will drop. So it's called for technical approach. So let's go lower to 1 hour, because here is what where we base our trade. So this 1 hour, we have two things here on 1 hour. This is the ABC. We can still get price to this zone. Price can still give us A, B, C, then A, B, C again before dropping. So this is why I always say look for sell setup. If you don't know what sell setup is, then you better let the price break this trend line. Then you look for sell. Okay, so that's how to do that. Let's go to USD card. Let's check daily. USD cards. Looking at daily, I can say that we have our complete correction. So I can see we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this can be with 1. Then this can be with 2. Then we can get some move like this, and then so for long-term trade on USD card, selling is no longer advisable. But on our time frame, like 4 hours, 1 hour, we can see the possibility of price dropping to this zone still exists. You may still get the price in this zone, like this with 1, with 2, with 3. You can get an A, B, C, with 4. Then the price will begin to buy. So buying from this point is not advisable. Let me check 1 hour. So 1 hour, you can see that we have an ABC, and an ABC is a complete correction, either part of bigger correction or the whole correction. So since we get this ABC, I expect the price to drop. So I can only sell if I have sell setup. Any buy setup from here, I will ignore it to be on the safe side. USD check. Let's check daily also on USD check. USD check. The price is now going down. So the question is, where will it end? Where will the selling end before the buying continues? After this big move, the possibility of going lower again and give us a new low is very difficult. It can happen maybe 5% chances you can see get price to this zone. So for now, let's focus on how do we join the sellers. For those who are not selling or who have closed their sell position, can we sell again, or do we wait for maybe this zone to buy? So to answer those questions, let's go to lower time frame. Let's go to 4 hours. We can see 4 hours. The USD is dropping, though not very sharp. We can see the pattern of the selling. The pattern is similar to what we have here. No clear sharp move, but it keeps dropping gradually. It's all good. So now, what are we gonna do? This is a wave A, this is a wave B. Then wave C will likely come to this zone. That is to say, when price drop to this zone, I will begin to look for buy. But now I need to wait. Okay, so let's go to 101. So 101 101 suggests 101 can give us a reason to sell. Okay, if price comes to if price comes to this favorable gap, I'll look for sell. Or if price comes near to this other block, then I will sell. But if price keeps dropping, then I will look for pullback to sell. There are still much to sell on USD check based on 1 hour. There's so much to sell, but don't enter blindly. Before you sell, get set it up. Before you buy, get set up. That's why I always say, don't just follow the what you see me draw. You see me draw line. Don't follow it blindly, because if you follow it blindly, you may be making mistakes. So let's check pounds USD. Pounds USD, the price is still dropping. The price is still dropping. Let's go to 4 hours. So we know when to buy and when to sell. 4 hours also. 4 hours, you can see with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In a smaller wave, with 3, in a bigger one with 4. So we are still selling pounds USD. So my target is around 1.19 or 1.195. This is where my target is before I begin to look for temporal buy. Okay, so going to 1 hour. Going to 1 hour, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, then A, B, C, W, X, Y. So we are like we will likely get the price into this rejection block. This is what is called rejection block for those who know SMC and ICT. If price comes to this rejection block, it will be a double confirmation, because here is where what we have here is this is A, this is B, and this will be C. And if the C comes up here, it means it comes to rejection block, as we call it on ICT. It will be a double confirmation. Then the selling will likely go and maybe correct and go down again. So there are still lots of space for selling on pounds USD. AUD is still selling. Let's check daily, but you need to be careful, because you can see the daily charts is have gotten to the reversal zone. We are trading at the reversal zone based on daily charts. So we need to be careful. But for lower time frame, we go to higher time frame. But higher time frame is split to lower time frame. So let's go down to 1 hour. One hour shows that we still have room for dropping. So my target is 0.62, 0.62 for 0.622. This is where my target is. Maybe from here, the long-term buying may start. So let's watch for setup. if we get a move up before dropping, fine. If we don't, once we break this zone, we are good to go. Okay, once price drop here, this direction we move to this zone. Okay, using the USD, the same situation, we are still selling just like DSY, but we are already at the reversal zone. Just like the same way we have on AUD USD. This daily chart, we can see WXY, though there are still room to complete the Y. So let's go back to 4 hours. So the little difference is that USD have given us a new low, the low we are looking for. We are into the last drop already, but AUD have not given us the low we are looking for. Something like this. We haven't gotten the low we are looking for on this one. A break of this zone have not happened on AUD but it has happened on using the USD. So maybe a little move up, then we look for buy that give us this big money. This is the money waiting to be made. JPT25. JPT25. The price is still dropping. This correction might not be over yet, but until it breaks this zone. So let's go lower to go down to 4 hours and 1 hour. Okay, you can see this were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then ABC. So the reversal zone of this ABC is between 39.20 to 36.70. But remember, with two can retrace to 99% of your one. So even if you use the price, keep dropping and dropping and dropping and dropping, it is still with two. It is still with two. Because this is with two, this is with one. So no matter how deep the correction is, it is still with two. It can even do something like this. It can go up from here, then it can become W. This can be W. Then we can get an A, B, C. It becomes with X. Then you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. Then these two will be here, and price will begin to go up. So sometimes I'll show you all these things so that if it happens, you won't be confused along the way. Let's check Euro JPY. I think I have to skip Euro pays, sorry, Yen pays, because I don't see good structures on Yen pays. Maybe I think JPY is where I see something that can be looked into. Yen pays have been moving in a way that can be confusing. Okay, but on this one, only pound JPY, we can see something we can say. So we can get a little move up, move down, then move up. So other Yen pays, they're not giving me any good structure. Other Yen pays that give me good structure, I don't cover it here. I do JPY, either JPY, and some other JPY pays, but I don't cover them there. If you want to get those ones, join my Telegram channel. Okay, that's for pounds JPY. Let me go to, let us see gold and silver. Gold is the wonder of the week. Gold is the wonder of the week. Okay. Gold, normally, looking at a structure of gold, what I expected to happen is this. After this move, we get A, B, C, then another drop. But it didn't happen. It keeps going up, up, up. But and since it crossed this zone, I'm no longer looking for sell, for any sell on gold. Okay, so let's go to 4 hours. So now this is no doubt with one in gold. So the question is, the big question is, since this is wave one, since this is wave one, where are we going? Where are we getting our wave two? In the Elliott wave, wave two normally come to 61.8% people. And here we have for this power chart, fair value gap here. So will it coincide with the fair value gap, or will it drop to this zone, give us correction, and drop again to another fair value gap for going up? Remember, wave two can even come to this zone as long as it didn't go below the set of wave one. Wave two can even come down into this zone, 1820, 1810. The market turned at 1803. It can even go to 1802. It is still wave two. But I don't expect this. What I expect is this zone. This is where I expect wave two to occur. That is 1900, 1890, thereabout. So, okay, that's forecast, that's analysis. When market opens, we know as it develops, we keep following it. Silver did the same thing, but silver did not perform as gold performed. So silver, I think 1 hour gave us something that is clear. Let me give a few charts. Okay, on silver, we can count we can count this. We can count this. 1, 2, 3. With internal structure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then bigger structure A, B, C, 4, then 5. So after that, when are we getting our wave 2? That's the question. Is it at 1.8 figure, which is at 1.8, or will it go lower? It can go lower. So as markets develops, we keep watching and keep updating you, but you have to join our Telegram channel because I don't come here on weekly, on a weekdays. Okay, platinum. Platinum is now, I think it has made it low, at least for now. So what I am looking at is that this move will give me a leading diagonal. Then if it goes to give me a new low, no problem. But I think we're gonna get a new kind of this move. It will become wave one. It will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What we call leading diagonal. Then it can now give me A, B, C with 2. Then it will go. Okay, that's forecast. The possibility of giving us a new low is there, but this is what I'm looking for. This is what I'm looking for to buy. Okay, US oil. US oil, just as you forecast last week, that this drop is wave A. That wave B is what we are waiting for. I think the wave B have started. Let's check 1 hour. So this is what I did not expect this. I did not expect this sharp move up. Okay, because I sold around here. Then when this happened, my what do you call it, break even. I got out of break even, but I'm still looking for sell again. But right now, there's no sell setup right now. We can only get sell setup if we go down to 15 minutes, 5 minutes, using ICT or SMC, but using Elliott Wave, no setup right now. So I will do that, but not here. So I'm looking for sell. Then if I get to buy, I will even buy. But for now, sell is what I'm looking for on oil. Okay, so NASDAQ, US 100, US 100, SP 500, US 30, Dow, they are all easy to follow. No changes from what we saw last week, so no need to waste time on that. Only to explain to you that the selling is sharp. So we now watch out for correction to join the selling. I don't have much to explain. I don't have much to explain on this. On NASDAQ and US 100, SP 500 and US 30. They are still going down to give us the WXY we are looking for. We have gotten W, then XY is what we're looking for. So SP 500, the same situation. The same situation. The question now is, let me give a broad chart. So the question now is, this is selling. So how do we join the selling? To do that, we need to go down to 1 hour. So we'll get correction based on 1 hour. So this drop can be a wave 1. This is like a wave 1 of the bigger drop. So maybe around here, I don't know, but one is begin to develop. We can only forecast where a wave will end. For instance, so when I say I don't know, don't misunderstand me. Wave 1 is expected to give us, wave 2 is expected to give us either A, B, C, or it will give us W, X, Y. So before I can say that wave C will come here, I have to see wave B. Sorry, yes, wave B. I need to see wave. I need to see wave A. Then B, I can forecast wave C. Then if we get WXY, if wave Y happens, then I can forecast if wave X happens, I can forecast with Y. But from here, I can never forecast what will happen. So I don't think I had something for you when I say I don't know yet. Just try to understand it. Okay, that's for S500. What again? US 30. The same situation is about US 30. So the same situation, no difference. It has already entered a reversal zone. This reversal zone is the temporal reversal zone anyway. If I go to daily, we still have room for dropping. So our daily, we see the price, we expect the price to 31,500, 31,230. I mean, price is still coming lower, but how do we join? That's important. To join, we need to get what is happening here. Just as I explained on S500. we need to get either A, B, C, or WXY. So this one can be easy because we have a favorable gap nearer. So if it comes to here, to this place, I will now check whether it is time to sell. And then I will share the chat on Telegram. So join our Telegram. The link is at the description of this video. Okay, let me squeeze also the John Industrial, the John. Let me squeeze it because I see a nice setup on that. You can see a nice structure, ABC, which is W. So this is with W, then with X. I don't know if this is with X or are we going to get an ABC as with X before this dropping. So let me go to 4 hours, 4 hours. So as you can see, the price, okay. This with W, this with X can be here, which means this ABC can be overruled. The reason it can be overruled is that this drop is too sharp. I think I should go lower to 1 hour. Now, this drop seems to be too sharp. And whenever wave C is too sharp, it can act as an impulse, which means instead of ABC, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as wave. Then all this count will change. It will now become 5 waves down instead of ABC. We now get only little correction, then we go down. So all these things I can't explain here because of time. So if this spread it doesn't hold, that's why I put this very sky blue line. It's either we get this one or we get this. Okay, but we get correction. That's the main message. I wish we get this because when we get this, we make more profit. So market will sell. If it is this one, fine. If it is this one, fine. So that's the end of our video. Thanks for watching. If it's the first time you are watching my video, like, share with your friends, subscribe, join our Telegram channel. We also have a students with VIP group. You can join it. We pay little money. That is, if you want to learn from me, how to analyze the market from me, send me a message. You will see my private phone number, which you can get me through WhatsApp and Telegram at the description of this video. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.